Hello, my name is Achilles Fowler. This is my application for the Joey Capel Scholarship, and this video will allow me to describe what I consider the most surprising and impactful scientific finding over the last 5 years. Of course, I could bring up COVID and the vaccine that came from it and all the science that came from that, as that had happened within the last 5 years. But there is something more recent that I actually find to be surprising that it was able to happen, and it is so impactful and possibly world changing in the pharmaceutical and medical fields. Um, that is the first time ever scientists have been able to recreate a notochord, aka a spinal column, from stem cells, and the first time in scientific history. Scientists have successfully grown a human notochord from stem cells, and this notochord is such a crucial tissue during early development as it serves as a guide for forming the spine and the nervous system. And it has been notoriously difficult to recreate in a lab up until just this January. They achieved this by studying the embryos of chickens, mice, and monkeys to identify the exact cues needed to generate a functional notochord. Their work resulted in a creation of a small trunk-like structure, only 1 to 2 millimeters long, but it contained all the key featuristics of a natural notochord, including the proper arrangement of neural tissues and bone stem cells. It is so remarkable that they were able to do this, and it has the it is able to change anything when it comes to spinal, such as fixing spinal birth defects, possibly been able to fix paralyzation, creating it as an issue of the past, and it will help us study spinal birth defects as we are able to recreate them outside of the body. It is such a fascinating thing that they're able to do, because with this, it revolutionizes how we study spinal birth defects and disorders affected from these intervertebral discs. Beyond its potential to address complex medical changes, this success underscores the remarkable possibilities of stem cell research and value of studying other species to better understand human development. Replicating this notochord was a crucial step towards tackling some of the most complex health challenges rooted in the earliest stages of life. What is the potential of it? The potential is massive. We could eliminate paralysis by recreating this and making it as a spinal in what's the word? Sorry. Spinal implant. Oh my god, I'm so sorry there. The This could revolutionize the medical field, and it could transform the world if we're able to recreate a human spine, as well as we are able to grow it to a certain extent so it allows us to fit any age range that we need to do. It is so fascinating that if there's a growing focus on the development of this cutting edge product, that market leaders emerging from these integrated advances, it's I'm rambling here, but the fact that we could have spinal implant as well as stem cell researchers collaborate to create spinal columns for people who need them, that could absolutely revolutionize the medical field. I I'm so sorry for all the rambling I did. I really thank you for listening to this. It is such a fascinating and surprising turn in the scientifics of spinal colonization. I I just had to rant about it. Thank you for listening to this, and I really hope you think of me as possibly a winner of your scholarship. Thank you. I hope you have a great rest of your day, whoever's listening to this. My name's Achilles Fowler, and I hope to hear from you soon.